What is up, my YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be running over a few different coins. BTC, we got a few other ones we're going to run over as well. It's going to be a lot of fun. We got a lot of stuff to look at, a lot of exciting movement in the markets. So yeah, make sure you stay clear till the very end of today's video. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. This is OP if you have not heard of this coin, and this coin looks really good, you guys. We've had a lot of upside movement since last year. Specifically last year around October, this one started marching up. Then we had a bit of a correction back down onto major support, you can see right here, and a support and resistance flip. So whenever you see a major support and resistance flip like this is a really good sign for this coin that we're going to see more upside continuation. If we look at Bitcoin over here, we also have that same support and resistance flip. You can see this horizontal support level. Prices came down to that level, pierced slightly below because it is a range, and now we're starting to march back up towards major resistance. So this is very common inside of the markets to have these support and resistance flips. So don't be shocked if we push straight up through this major resistance level and start heading towards $5, $6, and really take off in this market. And when we have a huge recovery like this is a bullish engulfing candlestick. Basically this quick buyback. There was a little bit of selling pressure that brought us down to support, but it's extremely short-lived, which is an indication of just how many people are waiting to put money into these markets. Now, as you can see with Bitcoin over here, that same thing happened. We had a very strong buyback on the support levels, and as this continues to push up higher here, we're going to see more and more people building their confidence. Although there's still going to be a large group of people that are kind of skeptical. Most people, the majority of people, remain skeptical until prices are just completely obviously taking off. And by that time, the good opportunity is already passed. So don't be shocked at all as prices start to recover that there's still a lot of people saying, oh, we're going to go lower, we're going to go lower. That is the nature of human psychology. It happens every single time. It happened in 2018. It happened in 2020. It even happened right here in June of 2021. So people do it every single time there's a major opportunity. So really what you got to do is you got to stay focused on that bigger picture reversal. Another thing to watch out for inside of these markets is the fact that a lot of people get leveraging. So when the market's really down like this and the big crashes happened, people end up saying, you know what, I want to recover from my losses. So they end up taking short positions at the bottom. And then when the market starts to march up like this and continue up, and all of those people with those short positions are like, wait, I thought this market was going to go lower. That is another reason why a lot of people hold on to that idea that it's going to go lower. And that is why short squeezes happen. I mean, if you look at the way Bitcoin broke out from 2020 until 2021, you see a huge vertical move. That vertical price action happened because so many people were thoroughly convinced that Bitcoin was going to go to 1,000 per coin. So a lot of newbie traders took short positions at the very bottom of the whole market. And the same thing is happening right now. People are going to be taking short positions. They're going to be very stubborn on this idea that the market has to go lower. And as a result of that, it creates the exact environment that's required and that's necessary to send prices to the moon. So don't be afraid of big crashes in the markets. This is the nature of markets, and really that's the best thing that could possibly happen. Whenever these crashes happen, get ready to make a lot of money if you have the right mindset, because there is no money to be made if the prices just go up forever. How is the opportunity to buy at a discount available if there is no discount that ever occurs? So the big players always create big crashes. The whales, the market makers, love to push the price of the market down so that there's actually an opportunity. And the volume is the highest it's ever been. Why is that? Well, that's because the biggest players are putting money in. It's really not that difficult to make money in these markets, but it does take the right mindset. You basically have to be willing to go against the crowd. It's really, really similar to life in general. A lot of people don't succeed because they follow the crowd. Very few people actually take the lead on something and decide, you know what, I'm going to lead and I'm going to choose to do the right thing, or I'm going to choose to do the thing which is the most beneficial for society. Very few people do that. They just kind of say, you know what, it's easy to go get a job. It's easy to go do that thing. It's easy to take the path of least resistance. But taking the path of least resistance doesn't create any real substantial growth in your life. Everybody's taking the path of least resistance, and they're all getting average results. The people that succeed go against the crowd. They go the opposite direction of the majority of people. They're going to sell their crypto when it's down, when they're in losses. But what does take personal strength and a little bit of willpower is to buy the dip. So you can see here with DOT, this is a prime example of one of these opportunities in the market. Go watch yesterday's video. We talked a lot about the opportunity in the market, especially in relation to the opportunity on XRP. But this is an expanded flat correction. If you don't know what this is exactly what Amazon did in 2003. Now, Amazon in 2003, the majority of people would have been selling their Amazon stock, right? It was 2003. It was the bottom of the internet bubble. Everybody was panicking. The news was saying, get out of these internet stocks. The internet was a fad and all of those things because the markets were down. But I'll show you here in just a second how this is the exact same situation here with DOT. So yeah, we have Amazon here on the bottom and we have Polkadot here on the top. You can see that the exact same pattern of human emotion happened. In the late 90s, Amazon went all the way up here in this huge run up and everybody got excited. The public started buying the top of the market. And then 2001 and 2002 and 2003 come around and everybody's selling. Everybody's getting out. Everybody's scared. They're panic selling. But if you would have bought Amazon in 2003, even if you would have invested $10,000, you'd have multi-million dollars just investing $10,000 in Amazon in 2003. Same is true for this coin right here. You can see the exact same human psychology is playing out. A lot of people will be selling their Polkadot, but a lot of people make stupid mistakes every single day when it comes to investing and finances. And you can see here that the opportunity on Polkadot is extremely large. And if you look at what Amazon did, you can take a percentage gain, and I'll just do this real quick. You can see that Amazon after 2003, if you look at the chart and the way that it climbed, it's just absolutely ridiculous what it did. Amazon grew 73,000% since 2003. Now, Polkadot, I can't tell you exactly what percentage gain it's going to grow. Nobody knows. But I will tell you that this market is going to turn around and it's going to do a big move. It's going to start a big picture uptrend, just like Amazon did from 2003 out. And the percentage growth that you're going to see in Polkadot is going to be very, very large. And for the people that are investing down here in 2023, going to be a massive, massive profit for those people as prices go vertical on Polkadot. So this is another coin that I'm watching, another one that I see a lot of opportunity in. So just hold true to your investments if you're already invested in crypto. If you're not invested in crypto, definitely take a look at these different coins and consider putting some money in, because people that take advantage of this opportunity are going to be financially successful. I've seen it time and time again. I've been doing this for 8 years now, and it's been a really enjoyable experience. First time that Bitcoin went to 20,000 per coin, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different coins went up 25,000%, 3,600%, 5,600%, just insane gains. It was a lot of fun to be investing in those markets during that period. And it's going to happen again. And so take advantage of it, you guys. There's tons and tons of coins on here that can change your life. So get away from that attitude of, I don't want to take a risk. Get away from that attitude of, there's no opportunity here. That attitude is exactly what destroys your potential success. There is so much opportunity in this market, and it's right in front of your face. So yeah, you guys, like I said, get ready for big moves in the crypto markets. We already saw a huge recovery. Go ahead and shoot me an email right now. Join in the VIP program and get started investing in these markets. see what coins we're buying in there. We're making money on a regular basis, and we buy when everybody's scared. We hold on. We just let our money work for us, and then we come back and we have more than we did before. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. Shoot me an email to join the VIP program. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.